Alright guys, so we will be playing on the Y9 Prime today, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're on Call of Duty Mobile. We go to graphics, automatically on low, frame rate medium. So let's go ahead and play. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we're on low, and it looks pretty decent. It's not the worst, but you know, this is a budget phone, but the game looks beautiful on this full screen display. Colors look great. So what? This came out right behind me. What? Oh, this dude is camping. Straight up camping right there. Ah, there we go. That was that dude camping. I think we might win this, guys. I'm not sure. It's tied. Oh. Nice. Bro, are you kidding me? Oh, no, no, no. That was not the moves. I think I can get the last kill. Yeah. Nice. Aha! Alright, next is this PES 2020. Now, I've never played soccer or a soccer game in my life. So let's go ahead and see video settings. We're going to go on high. Next. Control, advanced, take mode, sorry. I'm just going to do the classic. Maybe that'll be easier. Learn the tutorial. Practice match. Nope. Let's jump right in. Let's just go with these guys. And let me fill all this stuff in. Alright, so the game is starting, and let's go to the general settings. And I'm trying to look and see the graphics. but should be in camera settings, I'm guessing. No. Yeah, so I don't know where I would find that, but we did have it on high in the beginning, so I'm assuming it's on high. Alright, let's go ahead and see how to play this. I mean, it's not slow and it's not lagging. Okay, so over here. Pass. Okay. How do I? Oh shoot! Hold on. Let me look. Oh. That was way off. Look at look. Look how bad that was. I was wide open. All right. Switch. Oh, I got the ball back. Nice. Man, I should get this one. Hold on, let me get it closer. Bro, come on. Did that go in? No, that ain't go in. It went right. Yeah, it just keeps going. I'm getting good shots. Like, I gotta figure out how to play this. This game is hard. It's kind of hard. I got the ball again. Oh, he stole it. Oh, I got the ball back. I'm gonna get really close this time. What happened? Oh, I'm not allowed to come to this part. Come on. Yeah. Alright, it doesn't look like I'm gonna hit a goal, but this is running smooth. It plays great. No problems. So everything looks good, but that looks like my only chance. I'm gonna keep playing this because it looks actually pretty fun. I'm gonna see if I can score. Alright, so for PUBG, we can actually play in medium settings, which is nice. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to play at low. What the? Bro, alright, I'm just getting distracted. Okay, let's go. Just to show you again on these settings, it wasn't on balance. I put it up to HD. You can't go to HDR, but you can put the frame rate on high. And as you can see, the game looks pretty good. It's not a whole bunch of lag or anything like that, but let's go ahead and actually get into the match. See. So no lag. Oh, what the? Trying to get this person that ran away. Dude just came up right behind me. Where's this other person coming from? Jeez. I'm out of bullets. No way. Oh gosh. That was so stupid. I just got into the game. Jeez. But as you can see, not lagging. Everything went smooth in that combat. So, you know, it plays great on medium settings. So this is a really good low to medium end gaming phone as well. In addition, you have that full screen display, which is beautiful. You get to see a lot of content. It is a nice big display. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. I think everybody got the gist of how the performance works on here. And yeah, no problem. So thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.